As we continue with entertainment from the State House Choir, just as an update, the aircraft has landed. The aircraft has landed and is slowly wheeling its way here. And for those who possibly were not here earlier on, so in honor of His Excellency, the late Raila Amolo Odinga, the call sign for the aircraft that is now wheeling in is RAO 001. And shortly we are going to have the aircraft in view. It has already landed, and in a short while, in less than 5 minutes, we'll have it in view. And the procedure will be disembarkment, first of all, before we have the official reception of the late Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga. So shortly we're going to be seeing KQ, or rather RAO 001, wheeling in. And the procedure will be first disembarking the passengers before we now have the official reception of His Excellency, the late Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. And now we have it in view. We can see RAO 001 wheeling in. That is the aircraft that has carried the late Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga from India to Kenya. As mentioned, the procedure that we expect is disembarking the passengers. It should take about 15 minutes to do that once the aircraft has grounded to a complete halt. And there we'll have a salute in honor of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. And what we have there is what we call a water cannon salute, which is in honor of the late Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga as he now wheels in. As mentioned, this on an ordinary day would be KQ 203, but today, in honor of the late Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, it is RAO 001. The call sign for this aircraft is RAO 001. So the purpose of disembarking the passengers. After which we will then have the passport of His Excellency, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, wheeled out to be officially received by His Excellency Dr. William Samoei.
So kindly, for guidance, we'll have the cabinet secretary, then members of parliament, all facing towards the aircraft. We cannot have anybody in front here, please. We need to move this way. We need one straight line. We'll have to step back, kindly. We'll have to step back. So cabinet secretary followed by members of parliament. To the right.
Hello.
Cabinet secretaries, governors, members of parliament.
90.
Will you like to complete this via? Let's